This year has been a truly incredible experience, another record-breaking year for Team Wales. Training providers, colleges and universities in Wales have truly exceeded expectations. To see the standards on display, the high skills, not only from competitors, the detail, attention to detail tutors are taking to prepare these learners for competitions.
We need to be developing the skills as a nation that is going to underpin and support the economy. And the more highly skilled our learners are as they leave the FE sector or the apprenticeship sector to go into the workforce, the better it is for industry in general. We've embedded skills competitions across all the vocational areas. Staff are so keen and enthusiastic to help the learners on their competition journey because they can see the benefits.
You can see where it's really helping students to go into business, post their courses, post their learning. You can see how much not only the students but also the tutors are putting into this. It's the confidence is the main thing for me, I think, and resilience. For these types of competitions, you have to have resilience.
Skills Competition Wales and the Inspiring Skills Excellence projects provides a platform for Wales to stretch and challenge our learners, and more importantly, stretch and challenge our educators and our qualifications in Wales. In Wales, we strive for more than just competency, we strive for excellence.
Even in our day-to-day classes within colleges, we are teaching our learners to competition standard.
It really prepares the students a lot for the real world, having to work under time restrictions and the pressures that can put upon them. You see a lot of personal growth with them in the run-up to it as well, because they're actually having to put in the additional time, so it's the extracurricular activities that they have to do added to that.
Although Inspiring Skills lead on it, we're very much dependent on our partners. Training providers, colleges and universities pulling together to deliver these competitions. But a big part of the jigsaw as well is our host venues. Host venues, pan Wales, putting their hands up to host.
So organising a skills competition is particularly rewarding. We've basically look at the current curriculum that's out there in FE, and we make sure when we design the test projects that it reflects that curriculum. So we're training the competitors to industry standards, so there's no disconnect there between FE and industry.
Mae hi'n braf cael dod yma heddiw, achos wrth gwrs dyn ni'n cael y siawns I weld talent newydd. Felly, i'r diwydiant, dwi'n meddwl bod o'n handi iawn.
So I think taking part in competitions such as these have a massive benefit for people's careers. I think confidence building, skill set, networking.
Mae'n rhoi cyfleoedd i'r pobl ifanc yma, myfyrwyr ar dros Cymru gyd, cyfle I gallu showcaseio sgiliau nhw I cyflogwyr.
I would say these competitions have been a massive launching pads, if you like, kind of accelerates the journey.
I definitely wouldn't be in the place I am in my career now if it wasn't for, Inspiring Skills and World Skills UK. I think it's really sort of jump-started my career.
Commit, practice and have a passion for what you're doing.
Just go for it, give it a good shot. It's an experience at the end of the day.
If I didn't push myself and get the extra training that I've been given through the Welsh Government and the World Skills UK themselves, I wouldn't be the person I am today.
Dyn ôl a trio gwella fi hunan, really. Gysi ail trwyddetha, so pwysio am y safle cynta na, just neis I fod dan bach o pwysau, bach o pressure. Na beth sy'n datblygu sgiliau fi fwyaf, really.
Definitely do it, you will not regret it. Say the progression that you'll notice in yourself and say technically that could help you in your career will be astronomical, and I will recommend it to anybody.